Hello, Nashville luxury home lovers. Today we are touring this Craftsman Residential luxury home in Green Hills, just 5 miles from downtown Nashville. This is the perfect combination of a semi-custom luxury home because it combines the curated charm of a Hampton-style home with the flexibility to tailor the home in key spaces to your taste. So let's explore. This is 3510 Woodmont Boulevard. We're on a spacious 1-acre lot, which gives us plenty of room to set the home far back from the street. This creates privacy and exclusivity that's a rare find in Green Hills. As we approach the house, you'll notice the Hamptons-inspired exterior design with its charming blend of stone and cedar shakes. This theme carries on throughout the interior as well. Every home deserves at least one wow moment, and we find it right here at the entry. The dramatic spiral staircase immediately captures your attention and sets the tone for the home. As we explore, you'll notice custom touches throughout, from subtle wallpaper in the dining and powder rooms to the custom lighting with a gentle vintage vibe, and the exquisite millwork adorning the walls and ceilings. Every detail has been thoughtfully curated to create a truly special space. Everyone appreciates a stunning kitchen, and this one definitely delivers. Here, they've used a beachy color palette that brings that Hamptons design style to life, with driftwood colored white oak floors, sea foam blue cabinets, and crisp white walls and counters. It's a breath of fresh air. You'll find all the luxury kitchen touches you'd expect, like separate integrated refrigerator and freezer, 8-burner gas cooktop with double oven, but there are also some custom touches. My personal favorite space. Catering kitchens are all the rage in luxury homes, but they're usually tucked away. Not here. The entire home has touches of vintage charm without feeling outdated, and we see that continued here on the checkerboard patterned floor of the screened-in porch. The backyard offers a blank canvas with over 15,000 square feet of level, fully customizable outdoor space. It's where your imagination and lifestyle can come together. Build a pickleball court and a pool with a spacious sun deck, or perhaps a lush garden with winding stone paths and a shady pergola. You could even build a quaint chicken coop and vegetable garden. This space is ready for whatever you can dream up. Of course, we can't skip the primary suite and bath, where vaulted shiplap ceilings, twin antique mirrored linen closets, and checkerboard tiled floors complete the historic Hamptons charm. And I can't let you leave without looking at this ridiculous closet, and it connects to the main floor laundry room. Upstairs, flexibility reigns supreme. Need a home gym, theater room, game room? The versatile flex room upstairs has you covered, with the insulated attic spaces offering over 2,000 square feet of potential additional living space or ample storage. The possibilities are truly endless. With 7,500 square feet of curated beauty, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and a 1-acre lot, priced at $5.3 million, this Woodmont beauty offers a charming beachy vibe and thoughtful design. We'd like to thank Tristan Kinsley with Compass for sharing his stunning listing with us. Thanks for joining us on this delightful journey, and here's to finding your Nashville dream home.